So the difference between paintless dent repair and conventional auto body repair work is basically with paintless dent removal, we don't use any Bondo or any paint to repair your vehicle. As in a traditional repair method, they would use a grinder to grind off the paint. They would, once they get the paint off, they'll repair the panel, get it back as close as they can possible, and then use a filler, typically referred to as Bondo, to fill the void that's there, go back and sand it, prime it, paint it. It gets to be a very expensive process when you get into that. But what we do to repair the vehicle, we basically use our tools, our rods, to get behind the metal, to massage that metal back out, take our time just sitting there massaging the highs, getting the highs and the lows out of the panel to make it look flawless, make it look perfect like it did before the accident or before the damage happened.